I'm Miss Vineta. Today we're going to present to you about IAS 16 property plan and equipment. So I'm Kelly.
I'm Shireen.
So I'll be starting on the first. So in this presentation, we're going to talk about definition, classification, recognition, measurement, and presentation for IAS 16. So in IAS 16, we're going to talk about property, plant, and equipment. So property, plant, and equipment is the tangible asset that are held by an entity for use in the production or supply of goods and services for rental to others or for administrative purpose. It is expected to be used during more than 1 year. For example, land. So moving on to the next recognition. So it depends on two criteria. It is probable that future economic benefits associated with the asset will flow to the entity, and the cost of the asset to the entity can be measured reliably. So this recognition criteria apply to subsequent expenditure as well as costs incurred initially. There are no separate criteria for recognizing subsequent expenditure. PPE can amount to substantial amounts in financial statements, affecting the presentation of the company's financial position and the profitability of the entity through depreciation, and also if an asset is wrongly classified as an expense and taken to profit or loss. So the first criterion is future economic benefit. The degree of certainty attached to the flow of future economic benefits must be assessed. The evidence that was available on the date of initial recognition, date of purchase, should serve as the basis for this. The entity should be guaranteed that it will bear the risk and benefit connected with the asset, which will often only happen if the risks and rewards have really transferred to the entity. The asset shouldn't be recognized till they arrive. Second criterion, cost measured reliably. Generally easy to measure the cost of an asset as the transfer amount on purchase. Self-constructed asset can also be measured easily by adding together the purchase price of all the constituent parts, such as labor and material, paid to external parties. So on the following, I will pass to Shireen.
Okay, thank you, Kelly. I would like to continue with measurement. It involves two keys, which is initial measurement and subsequent measurement. For the initial measurement, when an item of PPE is recognized as an asset, they will initially measure at cost. The components of cost included purchase price, import duties, and directly attributable costs. And for subsequent measurement, cost model carry the asset at its cost less depreciation and any accumulated impairment loss. And for revaluation model, the revised IAS 16 allows for a revaluation model where the asset fair value can be reliably measured. Next is presentation of PPE. According to IAS 16 guideline, its displays in financial statement is crucial for providing user with clearly and helpful information. It typically presented in the notes and statement of financial position. And in statement of financial position, PPE is shown as a non-current asset such as land, building, furniture and fixture, and other tangible assets. If PPE is classified as held for sale, which under IFRS 5, it is presented separately from other PPE, while in note of financial statement, the information that must be included in the notes, which are measurement basis, recalculation of carrying amount, depreciation, impairment losses, restriction and pledges, and the last one is revaluation. Okay, that's all our presentation. Thank you.